Today we are going to know about the world's largest aircraft manufacturer, Boeing. Initially, people used to travel long distances by horses. Wealthy people used to travel by automobiles. Few used to opt ships. Don't you think it's time-taking? But today, every day millions of people travel and cargo is carried by aircrafts. So whom should we thank first? Wright brothers. Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright on December 17, 1903 made Wright Flyer the first world's successful motor-operated airplane. This caught everyone's eye. Surely and shortly, aviation created a new era and hit new challenges. At this point, William Boeing, who hit by the hot wave of the aviation and thus born the Boeing Company on July 15, 1916. Before entering into aircrafts business, William Boeing used to run a timber business which made huge profits and expansion of his business in various ventures. During the Alaska Yukon Pacific Exposition in 1909, he saw manned flying mission for the first time and became fascinated with aircraft. Soon Boeing took flying classes from Glenn L. Martin and purchased flight. Later, Boeing's test pilot Herb Munter soon damaged the plane, and when he was told by Glenn L. Martin that replacement parts would not become available for months, Boeing, along with his friend George Conrad Westervelt, who is commander of the US Navy and also who have the love for aviation, decided to build a better plane. They soon built and flew the B&W Seaplane, which is an amphibian biplane whose prominent feature was the addition of a second pontoon for stability, which performed outstanding. Boeing decided to go into the aircraft business and he incorporated Pacific Aero Products Company on July 15, 1916. Their first aeroplane model was Bluebill, and they soon designed one after other. In 1917, when US entered into World War I, George Conrad Westervelt decided to leave the company as he deployed to another place. William Boeing took chance to name the company after himself, and he set about filling the newly created demand for military aircraft. William Boeing's first independent plane was Model C, which was a great success, and US Navy ordered 50 aircrafts. Later, Boeing saw downfall because of decrease in demand of aircrafts by the end of World War I. He, instead of giving up, started making home furniture from ample supply of spruce wood nearby. Again in 1919, Boeing signed a contract with US Army to modernize 300 Havilland DH-4 fighter planes. Boeing began to concentrate on commercial aircraft. He secured contracts to supply airmail service and built an airmail operation and later passenger service that evolved into United Airlines. In 1929, Boeing joined with Frederick Rentschler of Pratt & Whitney to form United Aircraft and Transport Corporation to serve all aviation markets. In 1934, the United States government accused William Boeing of monopolistic practices. Because of this, United Aircraft and Transport Corporation broke into three separate entities. 1. United Aircraft Corporation. 2. Boeing Airplane Company. 3. United Airlines. Boeing Airplane Company, though a major manufacturer in a fragmented industry, did not really become successful until the beginning of World War II. And later, Boeing became the largest global aerospace manufacturers that designs, manufactures and sells airplanes, rotorcraft, rockets, satellites, telecommunications equipment and missiles worldwide. This is the history of the 104 years Boeing. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and do share this video. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.